Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is on a trip to find new markets for Jamaica's tourism product. The minister is currently in East Asia, attempting to re-engage the Japanese market. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has the details.
50 years ago, tourism did not represent a percentage of global GDP. Today, it represents 10% of global GDP.
Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett out to revive the Japanese market for Jamaica. 2 decades ago, Jamaica received upwards of 20,000 visitors from that country each year. That figure has since declined to roughly 2,000 per year. But with up to 17 million Japanese going abroad each year for vacation, the minister hopes to lure some to Jamaica.
And I am going to Japan next week to meet with the chairman of the equivalent of our tourist board. Incidentally, it is called JTB as well. It's the Japanese Tourism Bureau. And he is a member of the board. He will be announced as a member of the board. And we're looking at the collaboration.
He's also hoping to re-engage Japanese travelers with the help of airline companies like Delta and its hub in Atlanta. The minister is expected to return on Sunday. For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Laidley.
A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost 59 cents more tomorrow. Automotive diesel will cost 25 cents less, while ultra-low sulfur diesel is down 38 cents. Kerosene is also down 92 cents, propane is up 34 cents, and butane will cost 51 cents more. Retailers will of course add their respective markups. In currency trading, the greenback ended the day selling for $136.55. The Canadian dollar closed at $105.79. The pound is going for $180.68, while the euro ended the day selling for $159.86 on average. Oil prices traded higher today. Oil for delivery in November went up by $1.18 to settle at $70.77 a barrel. The JSE index advanced 6,795 points today, while the junior index lost 9 points. Stocks posting gains: Barita Investments, CAC 2000, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Kingston Wharves, and Lasco Distributors. Now on the losing side were Blue Power, Derrimon Trading, Elite Diagnostic, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, and Key Insurance. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.